In this video, I'll show you how to install Instagram on your iPhone. Instagram is a popular app where you can share photos and videos, watch reels, follow friends and creators, send messages, and discover new content. To get started, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Once the App Store opens, tap Search at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap the search bar at the top. Type Instagram, then tap Search on your keyboard. From the search results, look for the official Instagram app. Make sure you select the correct app with the Instagram logo. Once you find it, tap Get. Your iPhone may ask you to confirm the installation using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Confirm the download and wait while Instagram installs on your iPhone. The installation may take a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. You can also find Instagram on your home screen or in the app library. When Instagram opens, you can log into your existing account or create a new account. Instagram may ask for permissions such as notifications, camera, microphone, photos, or contacts. You can allow these permissions depending on how you want to use the app. For example, camera and photo access are useful if you want to post stories, reels, or photos from your iPhone. And that's it. Instagram is now installed on your iPhone and ready to use.